cut so many corners on this project. The whole truck is round.
RCX Building
was able to build this in a
garage
with a box of scrap.
What's up, builders? I just got the driver's door window glass replaced. Replaced the glass, and I replaced the vent window glass, all the seals around it, the felt that goes around the door, and I replaced the weather stripping on the inside of the door.
Flashback. End of Flashback.
Still needs a little bit of tweaking because right now it's really difficult to close the door. I think in just this one spot right here is where the weather stripping is causing this door to bind up so hard, but I can't really close the door all the way. Gotta really just slam it shut. We'll tweak that. I think I can just make some adjustments on the mount here. But yeah, I got the door glass replaced. Did all the felt going around it and the weather stripping. Pretty big job. It did take me about 3 days, and it wasn't easy, but we got it done. I'm trying to work up the courage to go to the passenger side and do that door as well. I did do a coat of primer. I'm probably going to do the same thing where I did on the back of the cab, where I put the primer down and then I just do a matte clear over top of that, because I really like that color. I like that red oxide color on here. But yeah, trying to work up the courage to go to the passenger side and do the same thing, where I take the door off the truck, take the guts out of it, replace the window. Yeah, and I was really timid and careful moving the glass around because I didn't want to waste the money and have it break. But I was careful with it, and I'll do the same thing with the passenger side as soon as I do it. Along with the glass and the felt needing to be replaced, there's these big bondo patch jobs, and if it's anything like the driver's side, it's gonna take me a little while to fill those in and get those fixed up. But the weather stripping's missing on this as well, so this might actually be a bigger job than the driver's side. But having done the driver's side already, I'll have a little bit more knowledge and a little bit more foresight, so where it won't be as bad. I hope it won't take me 3 days, but yeah, we'll see. Here we go. Take the door off and set my table up. Vision bar. Pull our vent window out of the way. Get this window out of here now. And you can see what I'm talking about with the carrier being as rotten as it is. Man, it is just chewed away. That looks better. I wasn't prepared for the window carrier. Hopefully I can get one of those cheap. I'm gonna hit eBay up and see if I can find one, because I don't think I can reuse that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pull the rest of this felt track out of the door, which it's already. It's coming out easier than the driver's side. Yeah. I'm gonna pull all that out. After that, I'm gonna flip the door over and I'm gonna prep it, get it all cleaned up, because I want to see what's underneath that bondo. Because on the inside of the door, it looks okay. I mean, for 60 years, it looks okay. So I'm hopeful that the bondo is just there to cover up a dent, which I am not at all worried about. I'm just more worried about holes. Like, there's a couple. Yeah, some pretty gnarly holes in this. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, a couple quick Googles later, found that I can get the window channel lift for the door glass. Oh. Ooh. I can get this window lift for $37 shipped, so that's good. I was worried it was going to be a little bit more expensive. The last thing I pulled out was this rear door track. It sits up in here. But after removing that, it just means removed all those pieces out. I'm pretty sure that's all I got to pull out of there. But I want to get the rest of this old felt out. Piece. So I've got three major parts of the door that have lots of bondo. Let me scoot the door a little bit. And what I did last time was I just used a torch and I just burned all this bondo stuff off, and that's gonna be gross. But this one I think is just a dent. So I'm gonna burn it off and scrape it, and then we'll see just how bad these doors are.
Much later.
Man, this passenger side is pretty rough. Lots of rot on a bunch of the frames for the vent window, and then we have the rot on the window lift for the passenger door. I'm gonna clean up in here. This will probably be a two-part episode, so I can finish up getting some glass in. Hopefully next episode I can get this all figured out, and then I can move on to the back glass. I do have a seal, and I do have the glass over there, so we should have everything we need. Yeah, we'll see. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Right now, 527 subscribers. Pretty stoked about that. Well on our way to getting to the 1,000. That's the goal. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.